Next up is Boeing. So we are here on Friday. We got slammed. The market did. Okay, the middle of the trend is now right there. This, ignore all the purple lines. That line and all the other purple ones I marked out in 2025. So this is the new color, and to the north side takes us to 197.54, 199.37, 201.23, and this gap will take us to 205.77. Do I have more up here? Yeah, 230.39. We are in a downward channel on the 5 still. To the south side, 190.42 support, 188.37 another level of support, as well as this area at 186.72, also a potential buy-in area, a potential stop loss area. We have these gaps to get down to. All right, and I think I already gave you that. Right, the outer band, yeah, roughly 186.56-ish, 57. And previously we were here, we gapped up, gave it back. This is resistance, fell back down to support, at least one level, chopped sideways, and oh, we closed out this one. I extended right. I have no idea when we're going to touch, and it touched right there on Thursday the 19th. Many gaps, it seems, appears to have closed on the 19th. Oh, and this one as what? Oh no, this one is still in play to down here. It touched here, but did not complete the, the fill. By the end of the week, our middle of the trend could get to 169.41. Yikes. You would think the war in Iraq would be good for Boeing, but apparently not. All right, the next one, option R, is going to be Rivian. So we are here. The middle of the trend is now